Hi, I'm Tassos Stathopoulos from Bessie Tools. We're here at the Toronto Woodworking Show at the International Centre in Toronto. We're here with our partners at Busy Bee Tools. We've had a great weekend so far, selling a lot of product and actually building a lot of orders for more product to come in. It's great to see the Toronto show come back online, and the crowds already for the first 2 days indicate how much people have missed it. We're glad to be here and look forward to supporting it in the future.